there, welcome to Quilt Block Studio. Today we are going to make a bear paw block. For this block you are going to need an 8.5 inch square of brown, a 4.5 inch square of white. You're going to need two fabrics, two browns that are 4 7/8 square, and then you're going to cut those once on the diagonal. That will give you two triangles of each color. And you're going to need two squares of white that are 4 7/8 inch square. You're going to cut both of those on the diagonal, and that's going to give you 4 triangles of white. The first thing we're going to do is piece a white to a brown triangle, and that's going to yield 4 half square triangles. You can use the same color brown if you like. Next, you're going to piece them into 2 rows. You're going to have a really thin top row, and you're going to have a really wide lower row. So join those 3 squares together, join these 2 squares to each other, and then join them to your main block. Once you join those 2 rows together, you will have a complete bear's paw block.